Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome to my channel. So today I'll discuss about few stocks what we recommended in last 1 month. So from May, the entire stocks the month of May, from May 1st or 2nd to end of the month. So the idea was to see how the stocks are performing over a period of 1 month. But still I'll say 1 month is not a time to judge a particular performance of a stock because yes, whenever we discuss any particular stock in the channel, all the stocks are meant for a swing trading perspective. So swing trading perspective and what we analyze in our channel so far has been mostly into a 30%, 40%, 25% return. So mostly are the targets of 3 to 4 months at least or 6 months and more than 6 months, things like that. But still since it's a new channel and a lot of people have joined us recently, so that's the reason I created a poll on Instagram. Sorry, Telegram, and all of the members, almost whoever voted, they voted that they want a video where we can see how the things are performing. So based on that feedback and based on that poll result, I'm creating a video where I'll see how the returns have been last 1 month. Okay, but nevertheless, that's not a way to judge your stock. So if you are holding any of the stocks, and even if you're seeing a gain or small loss, don't sell it off. Make your own judgment before selling it off, and don't judge based on the today's video whether you need to sell it or not. Stay strong to the fundamentals, stay strong to your thoughts, staying strong to your plan, and then only see what's there in the future for you in those particular stocks. Now I'll show you if you want to see all those. So there will be a lot of stocks what we'll be showing you today. But if you want to search any of those stocks and go to my channel, you can, for example, search for Sobha and you click enter, so you'll get the video for Sobha. Other things you can search for Kaveri Seeds. I'm giving an example. I'm not asking you to search for these companies, but just example how you can find any of the stocks. Go for Kaveri Seeds and you'll get the Kaveri Seeds videos. So this is one way. Go to channel and search. Otherwise, go to YouTube. YouTube, you search for Mayank Tripathi. And for example, you want Kaveri Seeds, so you search for Kaveri Seeds, and you'll get the video for Kaveri Seeds. There were two videos, so you'll get both the video for Kaveri Seeds. So this is how you want to go back to any of the stocks, whatever we're going to discuss. You can go back to these particular two ways of searching. So these are list of stocks. So there's a lot of stocks, actually close to 14 stocks. So that's the reason I told you these are the two ways where you can search and find those stocks. So now if we discuss these stocks, the companies are Nestle, Tata Chemicals, Kaveri Seeds, Bata India, Info Edge, KAC Limited, Lancer Container Lines, Granules India, Asian Granito, Polymedicure, Tide Water Oil, that is the Vidol, Sova, Sharda Cropchem, and Gulf Oil Lubricants. Sharda Cropchem has been discussed before also and was mostly discussed in fundamentals. This was discussion when the results came out, but I still included it just because I told the results are good and all everything. But personally, I'll feel this was discussed long back and we should not have been included in this list. Okay, so this is the name of the stocks. Then these are the dates when we discuss the stock. Okay, the most of videos come in the evening, so these are normally the closing price on that day or closing price on the last trading day. And this is the price as of 31st May because we are seeing the forecast of last in the month of May only, not the current or yesterday's price. Okay, sorry, these are the price on the day of which we discussed, and this is the price closing price of May 31st, and this is the return for each particular stock. So if you see Nestle was discussed when the price was 16,309. It was on 5th of May, and the 31st May closing price was 17,695. So return was close to 8.5%. So the Tata Chemicals discussed was 698 and closed was 703, and return was close to 0.7%. Okay, so result came out in the middle and just crashed. So because of their no involvement in EV sector and everything, and the result was also not that great. So you can go back the video and watch the details if you want. Kaveri Seeds again is 16 was the price and 719 was the closing price. It went bit high around 780 in the middle, but again result came out, it was not very great. Not expected. It's good result for me, but it was not expected. So the stock fell down from that point, but still we are getting 17.86, almost 18% return in a period of 1 month, less than 1 month. So I think it's a great return. Bata India, I recommended. I have actually pushed for this stock at a price of 1368 and return. Now current price is 1547. Current means 31st closing price. The return is 13.08%. I actually pushed for this stock, I'm saying, because I wanted people to buy this. There's a lot of opportunity present then, and still we have opportunity in this particular company. So I'll say you go to watch the fundamentals and see if you can. If you think this there's opportunity, then you definitely should go for this stock. Info Edge 4354 and the closing price 4345. So we lost a couple of 0.2% here. KAC Limited was 2100. Again, I pushed for the stock because it was very strong fundamentals. It was 2302 on May 31st and the return was 9.6%. So 1 month return is 9.6%. That's a very good return actually. Lancer Container Lines 75 and May 31st is 90 and return is around 20%. Somebody in the video commented that I should create video only when it's there to buy, but I'll again, no offense to the person, but there are some stocks which is long-term stocks and there is no correct time for them to enter. There is always a time frame to enter. So this was a time frame for Lancer Container Lines to enter, and I'm sure that now Lancer Container Lines will grow very fast because of the India's journey in the export market and India's this COVID situation, everything getting normal. So I'll still suggest you watch this entire video and get the fundamentals of the sector also and fundamentals of the company also. It's very important stock actually, personally I think, because the sector has been analyzed a lot in this particular stock. Then Granules India 322 was a good price to buy, but it slipped little bit because the results were not good and also there are no great news coming for Granules. But personally, this stock is very good fundamental stock. Okay, the return was negative 1.24. Asian Granito 176, the closing price is 195, return was around 10.79%. Polymedicure is a very strong stock and 1069 was the price and fall down to 1.1009. So it's 5.6% negative gain. I'm still bullish on the stock and I have this stock in my portfolio also. Tide Water Oil is 5418 and because of all the good news and charts, the stock price raised for 74% is less than a week. Around a week, so that's a very good gain whoever invested in this stock. Actually, I never thought this will go high. My target was 50% and it was around 2 months, but some good news of stock split and everything supported and this stock moved to 74%. So I'll not take entire credit for that. So my analysis was only part of it, growth. But anyway, whoever invested in the stock, congratulations to all of you who have got the great money. Okay, and it is more 31st 9,400, but now if you see status price closed above 10,000, so it's a rally, it's a big rally. Okay, I'll say there might be more really remaining in the stock, personally I feel, but it's your call. Sobha is 475 when we discussed, is 491 in 3.33%. It's around discussed on 24th May and today is 2nd of June, I believe. Yeah, so it's around 1 week. And Sharda Cropchem 356 but reduced to 352 after the results. That's happening because I tell you one big secret. This is what accumulation calls. This is why there is something wrong in the stock and they will sell it off. So that's how the promoters, strong hands, the FIs and DIs and strong people buy the stock when you sell. So this is my suggestion will be that you don't sell this stock. If you have this stock in your portfolio, this is a very good company and definitely it will grow over the period of time. Gulf Oil Lubricant was 711. Just one day we got 29th we discussed, 31st is closing and first the market opened. Not first, 31st the market opened, I believe. I don't know. 31st the market opened, so 31st and 1st, so 2 days it fell little bit, 1.6%, but again, since we are discussed in the month of May, we are adding this year. So these many around 14 stocks we discussed and these are the returns each individual stocks. So some stocks went into negative but around 1.2, mostly are into 1%, minus 1% only, not less than that. Apart from Polymedicure, everything is doing great, but for Polymedicure, I don't know, my internet connection has been gone. Let me connect back to the internet. So yeah, so I was saying that apart from Polymedicure, every other stock has performed good, and only around 1% was a negative. But Polymedicure, again I'm telling you, since it's negative doesn't mean that you don't you sell this stock if you're in the portfolio, or if you think there's opportunity, don't buy. See that video, and I have there's a video called 2 great stocks where I discussed about Asian Granito and Polymedicure. So if you search by Asian Granito or Polymedicure, you will definitely find. For example, I'll show you Polymedicure. So Polymedicure, you should get it. 2 stocks, great opportunity. Here we discuss Polymedicure. Polymedicure is a very good company. Don't get disappointed by the return. So now whatever that is, since I discussed all these things in my channel, so let's suppose see the return. What is the average return we got in the last 1 month? So average return is 10.58% what we got. So one of the most important factor is definitely Tide Water Oil. Return was 74%. Apart from that, every stock performed relatively okayish, and we around 10.58% return based on whatever discussion we have made. So 10.58% over a period of 1 month time, this is much better than even I expect, and it's really good because the target is to get around 40-50% return in a year if we can do swing trading. or around 30% if you do for long-term investing. So this is the target of the entire channel, and I actually do swing trading a lot. So for me, 30-40% is more than enough. So 10.5% and 0.5% in a 1 month, it's very good return. And personally, I feel it's a very good return. Let me know in the comment section if you, what is your thought on the return and what is your thought on the stocks we have analyzed. And you can also let us know in the comment if you hold any of the stocks, or if you hold a few of these stocks, so that others can also know that okay, people are investing in the stocks we discussed and people are getting benefit out of it. So if you like the video, if you like it's helpful that we are creating videos on a lot of stocks and we discuss about different opportunities, please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, share it with your network. Help me to create a community where more and more people can come together and get benefited. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icons to get notified on time. And thanks for watching. See you later on the other videos. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you so much.